In this video, we will introduce you to the top 6 budget to best countertop ovens on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 6 budget to best countertop ovens on Amazon in 2026. Number 1, Ninja French Door Premier Air Fry Oven FO101 10-in-1 Countertop Air Fry Toaster Oven, 20.3 QT capacity, French door design, PFAS free cooking surface, 5 QT air fry basket, sheet pan, wire rack and broil rack. 10-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, air roast, bake, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, reheat, keep warm, and more for versatile everyday cooking. Large 20.3 quart capacity. Spacious interior accommodates family-sized meals, multiple servings, pizzas, casseroles, and roasted dishes with ease. Elegant French door design. Wide dual door opening provides convenient access. Number 2, Midea Flexify Pro French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven, 26.4 QT Countertop Oven with precision heat technology, French door design, easy clean enamel interior and multifunction cooking controls. Large 26.4 quart capacity. Spacious countertop oven accommodates family-sized meals, pizzas, casseroles, whole chickens, and multiple dishes with ease. Precision heat technology. Advanced heating system provides even heat distribution for consistent baking, roasting, air frying, and toasting. Performance. Multifunction cooking modes. Versatile cooking options including air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, reheat, and more for everyday meal preparation. Premium French door design. Elegant dual door opening offers convenient access to food while enhancing your kitchen with a modern appearance. Easy clean enamel interior. Durable enamel coated interior helps prevent food buildup and makes wiping away grease and spills quick and effortless. Modern digital controls. User-friendly control panel with precise temperature and cooking settings for simple operation and reliable results. The Midea Flexify Pro French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven delivers a premium countertop cooking experience with its spacious 26.4 quart capacity and advanced precision heat technology. Designed to provide even, consistent cooking, it easily handles everything from crispy air-fried snacks and roasted meats to baked desserts, pizzas, casseroles, and toasted breakfast favorites. Its generous interior makes it ideal for families and anyone preparing larger meals, featuring a stylish. Number 3, Typhur Sink Oven 12-in-1 Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, 27 QT Countertop Convection Oven with AI Wireless Meat Thermometer, 360 degrees Turbo Convection, Dehydrator, Recipe Support and 5 accessories. Stainless steel. 12-in-1 Smart Cooking Functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, dehydrate, reheat, pizza, and more in one versatile countertop appliance. AI Wireless Meat Thermometer Probe. Smart wireless temperature probe monitors food in real time for accurate cooking and perfectly cooked meats. 360 degrees Turbo Convection Technology. High-speed hot air circulation delivers faster, more even cooking with crispy, golden results using less oil. Large 27 quart capacity. Spacious interior accommodates family-sized meals, whole chickens, pizzas, casseroles, and multiple servings. Premium stainless steel design. Modern stainless steel construction complements any kitchen while offering durability and long-lasting performance. Includes 5 accessories and recipe support. Comes with essential cooking accessories and recipe guidance to help you prepare a wide variety of meals with ease. The Typhur Sink Oven combines advanced smart technology with powerful countertop cooking performance, making it an ideal all-in-one solution for modern kitchens. Featuring 12 versatile cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, and dehydrate. This 27-quart countertop oven handles everything from everyday meals to large family dinners with ease. Its innovative 360 degrees turbo convection system circulates hot air evenly for faster cooking and crisp, delicious results with less oil. A standout feature is the AI Wireless Meat Thermometer Probe, which continuously monitors internal food temperature for precise cooking, helping you achieve perfectly cooked steaks, chicken, turkey, pork, and more. The spacious interior easily accommodates large pizzas, casseroles, whole chickens, and family-sized portions. Finished in premium stainless steel, the oven includes 5 cooking accessories and recipe support to expand your cooking possibilities. Number 4 Cuisinart TOA 70 NAS Air Fryer Toaster Oven, 8-in-1 Countertop Convection Oven, 1800W, 0.6 cu foot, air fry, bake, broil, grill, toast and warm, stainless steel with air fry basket. 8-in-1 versatile cooking functions: air fry, toast, bake, broil, grill, convection bake, convection broil, and warm in one compact countertop appliance. Powerful 1800-watt heating system delivers rapid preheating and reliable cooking performance with temperatures up to 450 degree F. Spacious 0.6 cubic foot capacity, large enough to prepare pizza, toast, chicken wing. Number 5 Emeril Lagasse Everyday 360 Stainless Steel Air Fryer Oven, 9-in-1 Countertop Convection Oven with 360 degrees Quick Cook Technology, XL capacity, 12 preset cooking functions: rotisserie, bake, broil, pizza, and toast. 9-in-1 multi-cooking appliance: air fry, bake, broil, toast, pizza, rotisserie, slow cook, roast, reheat, and more in one versatile countertop oven. 360 degree quick cook technology. Powerful convection heating circulates hot air evenly for faster cooking and crispy results with less oil. 12 one-touch preset programs. Convenient presets simplify cooking for a variety of meals, snacks, baked goods, and frozen foods. Extra large capacity spacious interior accommodates family-sized meals, whole chicken, pizza, multiple slices of toast, and large side dishes. Rotisserie function. Built-in rotisserie system prepares evenly roasted chicken, meats, and other favorites with restaurant-quality results. Premium stainless steel design. Durable stainless steel construction complements modern kitchens while offering long-lasting performance and easy maintenance. The Emeril Lagasse Everyday 360 Air Fryer Oven is a powerful all-in-one countertop cooking appliance designed to replace multiple kitchen devices. Featuring 360 degrees quick cook technology, it circulates superheated air around your food for fast, even cooking and crispy textures using little to no added oil. With 9 cooking functions and 12 preset programs, it easily prepares everything from fries, wings, and pizza to roasted meats, baked desserts, toast, and slow-cooked meals. Its extra-large capacity makes it ideal for families, allowing you to cook whole chickens, large pizzas, multiple servings, and everyday meals with ease. The integrated rotisserie function delivers juicy, evenly cooked poultry and meats, while the premium stainless steel. Number 6 Breville BOV 900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, Countertop Convection Oven with Air Fry, Element IQ System, Super Convection, Multifunction Cooking. Brushed stainless steel. 13 Smart Cooking Functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, pizza, cookies, reheat, slow cook, dehydrate, proof, warm, and more for complete cooking versatility. Element IQ System intelligent heating technology distributes power where it's needed for precise, even cooking and consistent results. Super Convection technology. High-speed convection reduces cooking time while producing crisp, evenly browned foods with less oil. Large family-sized capacity. Spacious interior accommodates large pizzas, multiple slices of toast, roasting pans, and family meals with ease. Integrated air fry and dehydrate modes prepare crispy fries, chicken wings, vegetables, dried fruits, jerky, and healthy snacks from one appliance. Premium brushed stainless steel design. Durable construction with an intuitive LCD display and easy-to-use controls add style and functionality to any kitchen. The Breville BOV 900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a premium countertop oven designed to deliver exceptional cooking performance with advanced smart technology. Equipped with Breville's Element IQ system, it intelligently controls independent heating elements to ensure accurate temperatures and even cooking.